Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, May 8th, 2001, 8 am. Each day is an opportunity for you to progress and grow. You tirelessly redo the same things and the same ritual concerning your Abhyas. You thus follow a universal rhythm. All your actions are repetitive. By respecting to a certain extent a schedule fitting the various activities that punctuate your days, you find your equilibrium. It is important to abide by strict rules for your physical activities as well as for your spiritual exercises. Regularity is profitable at all levels. A human being is made like that. He is being programmed by his biological clock at each point in time in his life. We cannot go into the details of this process, but you can enjoy its benefits by complying with it. Your practice also pertains to this framework, and you can notice its effectiveness. This ritual is henceforth part and parcel of your life. The need is being felt in you. You aspire to find your bearings in this universe of peace, far from the miasmas of this world. There, in the silence of the heart, where your meeting with unity ends up occurring, you reach other bank. Henceforth, your life takes on a new meaning. You realize how important your abhyas is, how much you have progressed, and how it has changed your life. This fact is edifying and sufficient to motivate you. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. Time is precious. Time and tide wait for no man. Enjoy as much as possible the lights granted to you to make a success of your life. Advance on the way, the heart full of joy, while being aware of how lucky you are to have reached this stage of evolution. Your brothers who are advancing in the darkness should move you. Let thoughts of love and compassion rise from your hearts in their favor. This stay on earth is a determining stage in your evolution. Do not let your chances be lost in the turbulence of the days. The vagaries of life must be useful to you. Your good or bad experiences must help you progress. Be enlightened on the reality concealed behind all these tribulations. This succession of moments lived in the spirit, characterizing you now and resulting from wisdom acquired over the days, makes your life a permanent enlightenment. Be receptive to all that can occur. Do not disregard any detail. Everything is important. Signs which mark your way are given to you. It is up to you to decode them. Let your heart express itself in any event. Do not restrain it. It must play its role in your earthly existence. It embellishes it. It gives it its letters of nobility. The latter will outlast this incarnation. They will remain imprinted on the tables of time. Babuji Maharaj.